Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious, easy custard. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, ensure you have a sturdy saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-proof bowl ready. Precise measurements are key for a consistently perfect result every time. Now, let's prepare the custard base. In a medium bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and thick. Next, slowly add the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, whisking until fully combined and smooth. Meanwhile, gently heat your 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it is steaming but not boiling. This step is vital for a smooth texture. It's time to cook our custard to perfection. Gradually pour about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking vigorously to temper the eggs. Then, slowly add the remaining milk, continuing to whisk. Pour this entire mixture back into the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly with your whisk until the custard thickens enough to generously coat the back of a spoon, which usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Finally, let's finish and serve our delightful custard. Once thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely aroma. Immediately pour the hot custard into a clean, heat-proof bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until completely cold before enjoying this creamy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.